Ever wonder about the return on investment for solar panels? You won't believe it. How quickly will Kentucky Sunshine pay off your solar panels? We are 5.5 years in, almost 42,000 in. So how long till we break even? My favorite phone app. Here's a typical day's energy production. My roof generates massive power. 100 kilowatt hours that day, $15. Such surplus earns credits, which we use when it isn't sunny. Annually, our panels make $4,600 of electricity, which is enough to fully cover our house and 2 EVs. Our house has electric everything, and it's very efficient. Insulation, LEDs, geothermal. So far, we've had the panels 5.5 years, and they've made about $25,000, meaning it's $16,500 more, 3.5 years, to break even at about 9 years. Not bad. But wait. Each of our 2 EVs saves $2,000 a year in gas. Their electricity is under $700, and gas would have been $2,700. Boom, $2,000 in savings. This gas saving times 5 years. Whoa! Because of this synergy, we're already net positive. Watch this. 6.5 years, 7.5, 8.5, 9.5. So if you count the synergy with our cars, the real story at 9 years is we'll recoup our investment almost twice. And it won't stop there. Modern panels are guaranteed to last full power for 25 years. But you may ask, can normal people afford EVs? Look, Kelley Blue Book, 2023. Where does the Model Y rank in expense? Yeah, it's near the lower end now. And as USA-sourced lithium becomes more available, more EVs will qualify for the tax credit. A Model 3 will soon be in the upper 20s. So get panels for home and work, and at least 1 EV for your family. Generate energy, generate money, eliminate emissions.